Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. The topic for today's assembly is honesty. Every one of us must have heard the phrase honesty is the best policy. It is indeed a wise phrase. Every child learns this teaching from their elders. This beautiful teaching has been taught since time immemorial. However, its practice has certainly fallen short. People resort to lies very easily nowadays. Furthermore, there is rampant corruption these days. Hence, there is an urgent need for this teaching revival. Friends, just remember to be honest about how you feel. Even if others don't understand, be honest about what you can do. Even if others are disappointed, be honest about what you think. Even if others disagree, be honest about your beliefs, even if others believe differently.
Honesty is telling the truth. When I'm honest, I feel clear inside. A person worthy of confidence is honest and true. Honest thoughts, words, and actions create harmony. Honesty is to use well what has been entrusted to you. Honesty is the best policy. There is a deep relationship between honesty and friendship. When I'm honest, I can learn and help others learn to be giving. Greed is sometimes at the root of dishonesty. There's enough for man's need, but not enough for man's greed. When we are aware, we are interconnected. We recognize the importance of honesty. One should always be honest.
Honesty has a power that very few people can handle.
Because I'm honest. Only hate me if I'm dishonest. Come to me if you need to know, and I promise I will never say no. However, in time you will release how big my heart and size. See, I will never tell you a lie. Before it happens, I would rather die. Some say I go too far. Well, I say we should never hide who we truly are. And if you say too much is wrong, then I will respond, that's what
Honesty
makes us
is
strong.
telling the truth and to accept responsibility for your actions and the way you choose to be. Being truthful will allow you to say, don't talk openly, talk to others and not behind their back. When you are not truthful and intentionally tell a lie, people get hurt by your dishonesty and may even cry. If you told a lie, it's never too late to say sorry, because honesty shows respect for others you to see. If you sincerely communicate the way you want to be, people will trust and honor your words you see. Honesty means to tell the truth all the time. Hopefully, you learn why to tell the truth
Honesty.
in the rhyme.
Honesty is the best policy, which means we should remain honest and truthful in our whole life, even in any bad situation. Being honest, loyal, and truthful in life provides a person with mental peace. Being honest is the foundation of a well-functioning relationship. Honesty also refers to the high morals and truthfulness in a person. Not only this, but it also nourishes people's lives in many ways. Honesty gives us a positive opinion in life. Honesty keeps us out of trouble and any difficult situation. So now I am going to tell you a short poem about honesty. I have truthful words and ways, careful with the things I say. God can hear me when I speak. He sees me from my head to feet. Please don't lie. Please don't test. I am honest.
Honesty.
It's the best.
Honesty makes one a truthworthy member of society, and hard work means that a man is ready to dedicate him in his
I'm
work.
going to recite a poem on honesty. Honesty is a word so soft, it really sounds so nice. Be truthful and be fair to all, your heart will grow in size. Honesty is a difficult path. Keep walking with your mind. Never ever take a turn or ever lose its sight. Once you learn to be honest, people will call you just. They will place their confidence in you. You will win over their trust. Your self-esteem rises up. You never bend or kneel against the wind of temptation. You never ever yield. Being honest in your dealings gives you inner strength. Your heart becomes contented. Your
A
dark
reading from the Holy Bible, chapter 12, verses 17 to 19. An honest witness tells the truth, but a false witness tells lies. The words of the reckless pierce like swords, but the tongue of the wise brings healing. Truthful lips endure forever, but a lying tongue lasts only a moment. Now please reflect on this reading for a while.
The Lord's Prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive us those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
When you give your heart to God alone, and you don't play false to Him, when you never do what would deceive those above you or below, when you're open with God in all things, when you don't do things simply to win the favor and smile of God. This is being honest. Honesty means when you run from impurity in each word and each deed, when you cheat not God nor people. Honesty means when you run from impurity in each word and each deed, when you cheat not God nor people. This is honesty.
of person who tells the truth. If you tell the truth, people can trust you. If you don't tell the truth, people are not sure of you. They cannot rely on you. Telling the truth can sometimes be difficult for us, but it is always easier than lying. If you tell lies, you will eventually be found out, and then people will not like you. There is saying, honesty is the best policy. There are lots of times we should be honest. For example, we might do something wrong at school. We should own up so other people cannot be in trouble. God knows that it is difficult for us to be honest, but it is easier.
Honesty is the first step to truth. But just because you are honest doesn't mean you are truthful. Honesty can lead to truth. It's like a pebble sent plunging down a deep, fathomless well, and it all depends on how deep your well is.
Long ago, there lived a woodcutter in a small village. He was sincere in his work and very honest. Every day, he set out into the nearby forest to cut trees. He brought the wood back into the village and sold them out to a merchant and earned his money. One day, while cutting a tree near a river, his axe slipped out of his hand and fell into the river. He was very sad and prayed to the goddess. He prayed sincerely, so the goddess appeared in front of him and asked,
I am the goddess of your river. What happened, my son?
The woodcutter explained the problem and requested the goddess to get his axe back. The goddess took out a silver axe and asked,
Is this your axe?
The woodcutter looked at the axe and said, No.
Is this your axe? See it carefully. It's an golden axe.
The woodcutter said, No, it's not mine. I can't cut the trees with a golden axe.
Is this your axe?
To this, the woodcutter said, Yes, this is mine. Thank you.
I am so happy with your honesty. That's why I am giving you this axe and the both golden and the silver axe too.
Being honest is always best, and honesty is always rewarded. Thank you.
Honesty. It takes so much energy to learn. I wish people could grasp the sense of the freedom and liberty that comes with being honest and genuine. As my mom always said to me, tell a lie once and all your truths become questionable. If you want to be trusted, be honest.
Conduct that connotes positive attributes of a person, such as truthfulness, integrity, and straightforwardness. The proverb, honesty is the best policy, a very meaningful proverb. It refers to the importance and value of honesty in life. Being honest sometimes put you through hardships, but ultimately it always leads you to good. It builds your relationship with others on trust and rewards you with honesty and respectful, while the path of dishonest is a trap. You can achieve long team success and greatness only by walking on the lane of honesty. At the end of the day, honesty gives you satisfaction education and
Honesty
peace
is
of
the
mind.
first chapter in the book of wisdom. Being honest may not get you a lot of friends, but it will always get you the right ones. Honesty is a very expensive gift. Everyone likes this. So, honesty is one of the best key to make a good relationship.
I have truthful words and ways, careful with the things I say. God can hear me when I speak. He sees me from my head to feet. Please don't lie, please don't test. I am honest, it's the best. Now at the end, we want to conclude our assembly with a message that honesty may have lost its value in this cruel world. Still, this rare quality within me will never be whole, because world is suffering with overpowering dishonesty mist. The world needs more honest people to exist. Thank you and have a cheerful day ahead.
Honesty means always telling the truth. Can people trust you? Be honest, we always need to tell the truth. Be honest, can people really trust you? Be honest, we always need to tell the truth. Be honest, can people really trust you? Like when you drop a nice vase and your mom doesn't see. Do you tell her the truth or do you go, who, me? Just say that you dropped it and mother will say, thank you for telling the truth, I can trust you every day. Be honest, we always need to tell the truth. Be honest, can people really trust you? Be honest, we always need to tell the truth. Be honest, can people really trust you? Like when you see a friend get bullied and the teacher comes near. Do you just turn your back as if you didn't even hear? Just tell that nice teacher what you really saw then, and people will trust you if bullying happens again. Be honest, we always need to tell the truth. Be honest, can people really trust you? Be honest, we always need to tell the truth. Be honest, can people really trust you? Like when you're doing your schoolwork and you want to cheat. Do you look off your neighbor's paper or let them take a peek? Just do your own work with integrity. Your teacher will respect your honesty. Be honest, we always need to tell the truth. Be honest, can people really trust you? Be honest, we always need to tell the truth. Be honest, can people really trust you? Like when you butt in line and the teacher spies it. Do you say I'm sorry or do you blatantly deny it? Just say that you cut and find the end of the line. Then people can trust you every time. Be honest, we always need to tell the truth. Be honest, can people really trust you? Be honest, we always need to tell the truth. Be honest, can people really trust you?